Hello and welcome to Hobby Days. In this video I'll be showing you what to do if you're still getting these holes when working an invisible decrease in your amigurumi pieces. Now if you're seeing holes throughout the whole piece, this could be because the hook you're using is too big for the yarn. So try going down a size or two. But if it's only noticeable when doing a decrease, I'll explain why this could be happening. So I'm going to work the invisible decrease as normal by working into the front loop only of the next two stitches. And it's important not to increase your tension at this point. Now you'll notice there's quite a gap between the next stitch and the decrease. So to prevent any holes, we need to keep the tension on the loop on the hook. Close up this gap just here. And work the last part of the stitch with your normal tension. I'll just work a few more stitches and I'll show you that again. So working invisible decrease as normal. Keep tension on the loop on the hook. Make sure there isn't a gap just here. And work the last part of the stitch with your normal tension. And there you have it. That looks pretty good. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please like and subscribe to see more, and feel free to leave a comment. And I will see you next time.